WPS and Microsoft Word both have the split and merge function, but what is the difference between them? We will use the same document to compare. For Microsoft Word, if we want to merge the file, head to the Insert tab, click the drop-down list at Object, select Text from File, then select the files to be merged, and click OK. This method merges the whole document by default, and the scope of merging cannot be selected. If we want to split documents in Word, it'll be a little more complicated, requiring us to enter the Outline View mode to manually set the title and create a new document according to the title. Next, we'll introduce the split or merge function of WPS. For users' convenience, WPS Writer integrates the functions of merging and splitting documents together. Click the Tools tab, then click the Split or Merge button. In the pop-up dialog box, we can select Split or Merge as required. Let's talk about the Merge function first. In the Merge interface, WPS Text will automatically identify the currently open documents and provide users with choices. Of course, we can also click Add More Files to add other local files. Click Next. WPS Writer will analyze the documents that need to be merged and list the total number of pages of each document. If we only need to merge some of them, we can enter the corresponding pages at the Merge range. In this way, we don't have to delete unwanted pages step by step after it's merged. In addition, we can customize the name and storage location of the merged document. Finally, click Merge to complete the merge. Then move to the Split function. Open the file to be split. Enter the document Split or Merge dialog box again. Click Split, and then click Next. Similarly, WPS Writer will analyze and display the document's page number. If we only want to split part of the document, we can enter the corresponding page number range at Split Range. Another highlight of this function is that, apart from splitting by page, we can also set the splitting by section. The premise is that you have divided the sections in advance in the document. Check Range Selection. We can enter the corresponding section number in the Edit box. WPS Writer performs excellently in providing users with more personalized settings to meet their diverse needs.